My hair is a mess. I am going to fix my hair using aloe vera, fresh aloe vera plants.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Back using aloe vera plant. This is the video, so watch it all the way. Rinse it really well, wash it. It has some kind of like residue on. Have a film. You see that film? It's like kind of ashy, like it needs lotion. We're gonna rinse this and soak this aloe vera plant first, and make sure you get all that residue off, stickers off there. First, you're definitely gonna cut the spiky area out. This right here gotta go. We don't want this. This is the end part. It has color. It might make the aloe vera look pinkish or red, but it has a very sticky honey sap that can really get caught up in your hair, and it's no good for your hair. So make sure you cut enough of that out or off so you will not have that in your aloe gel and conditioner that we're making today. All right, so now you got the spikes off. You cut it in half, We're gonna scoop it out with a spoon, and yes, you're gonna put it in a stocking if you have a stocking, or you're gonna strain it, or you're gonna put it in under, and then you can strain it too. You'll still always have to strain it. You wanna make sure you strain it well, because you do not wanna get it caught in your hair, because if you do, you guys, it's gonna look like dandruff and dead skin flakes all up in your hair. Like you're gonna see white particles just stuck on your hair, and that's just no good. We don't want that. All right, you guys, so this right here is why I use aloe vera, fresh aloe vera. I used to try to use the aloe vera juice, didn't work well like fresh aloe vera plant. I use the aloe vera gel like pre-bought, but this is why I use it fresh. As you see, yes, yes, yes. All right, so I did put a little bit of aloe vera in my hair because I could not wait. But like I said, you guys can put it in your blender. You can put it in a stocking. You just make sure you drain it. And I am just going to actually slip this, twist this gooey stuff around my finger, and I'm just going to glide it through my hair like this. Just the fastest way I can think of. This is a little piece that fell out. All right, yes. It's gonna be very messy, but it will save your hair. This will save your hair. So let's take my silk scrunchie off and get to it. I usually put this in sections, and right now I'm doing, this is a detangler, aloe vera detangler. So
All right, I'm gonna speed up this video a little bit just so you guys don't have to watch like me just trying to detangle my hair. I'm finger detangling, and I'm being very gentle, but you know, I fast speeded this up. It just has a really great slippy, glossy coating to your hair when you apply the fresh aloe vera to your hair, and it just really helps any knots, tangles, or if your hair is dry in certain areas or hard or brittle. Now, do not do an overload of this aloe vera or any aloe vera treatment. You know, understand your hair, know when it's needed, and this is definitely needed. I haven't done an aloe vera treatment. It's been 2 months now. As you see I'm just like sliding it and pushing it away. You see how it just like easily, you see how it just automatically slides and glides with no knots. So if you're suffering with like thin hair or a lot of shedding or damaged hair, this will definitely rejuvenate your hair and bring it back to life, you guys. When I use this, I see my hair is like much thicker, fuller, easy to manage, softer. It's just the perfect thing to use in the summertime, like when your hair has been through so much, you know. Anyway, now It's time to rinse it out. As you can see, I'm rinsing it out room temperature water. It's so much easier for the aloe vera to absorb in my hair. Oh my gosh, you guys, this shampoo, y'all know about this already. I don't even have to tell you. This shampoo is the business. This black Jamaican castor oil shave moisturized shampoo. I love it. Now you see I did apply a little bit onto my ends and midway because I've been using the As I Am hair color cream gel. It's like a gel or a cream or whatever. So I don't have any highlights. That's just from this temporary hair color, you guys. So I'm really trying to get that out too. So anyway, now that I did a good rinse, I shampooed it throughout. It's detangled and I got the aloe vera out the hair. It just feels so soft and great, y'all. I got a little bit of shampoo left to rinse out, but man, it does feel a lot better. Got to use this Olaplex, you guys. I don't know if you ever used Olaplex, but I like Olaplex 5. I'm going to apply that a little bit in my hair. This one is a little bit of shampoo, but basically a conditioner. And I like to place this one midway in my hair. It really helps define my frizz. As you see right here, the frizz is just gone, and it brings back the bounce. And it makes my hair be more bouncier and curlier, as you see right there, just brushing it through. I am going to leave this in my hair for a little bit and put it in a little bun like this, as you see, and prep my hair for this Knots Today Kinky Curly. Yay! It's my favorite conditioner anyway. It's very affordable, you guys. This conditioner is only like $12 to $13. You get it at Walmart, Target, CVS. Some grocery stores carry it too, or Amazon. If you've never tried this conditioner, you have to try it if you have curly hair similar to mine or a tighter curl, or if your hair is much drier than mine. For some reason, this conditioner is just amazing. I would like it to be a little bit thicker, but other than that, no complaints. It does come in a very small bottle, and I'm not too happy about that. But the price-wise, it does this trick. It never leaves flakes or anything like that. So as you see right now, after I did the conditioner, I left it in my hair. I'm applying more aloe vera. So remember, I'm using this aloe vera in so many different ways, you guys. So this way, I'm using it now as conditioner. I already used the aloe vera as a detangler. So now it's a deep conditioner, and the next step, I'm going to use the aloe vera as a gel. So now I'm gonna rinse that out. As you see, the hair is shiny. Woof, woof. It's laying down. It is laying down. Yes, I got some length, y'all. Look at that. My hair did grow. Subscribe to my channel if you really like this content. I love doing hair tutorial videos, and I hope I see you guys next time. Bye. Here's some quick pictures later on that day where my hair got dry, just so you guys can see how it lasts and how it looks. This is throughout the week, just a couple pictures I wanted to throw in there to show you guys that you should definitely use aloe vera as a detangler, use aloe vera as a conditioner, use aloe vera as a gel, use aloe vera, period.